Hi, this is Gary from Cheetah Transformation, and this is the 24th Smartsheet quick tip on how to import data from Excel. Okay, so in this video I'm going to show you how to import data from Excel into Smartsheet. I suppose it's worth noting at this point that one of the key differentials between Smartsheet and Excel is that in Excel you can have multiple tabs within a single sheet or workbook, whereas in Smartsheet you can only have one sheet. You can't have multiple tabs to a single sheet. Therefore, if you had multiple tabs like I do here that I want to bring into Smartsheet, you need to do that twice to have two single sheets within Smartsheet. But then obviously you can use things like index match formulas or cell linking or reports to bring that data together. So let's just go back into Smartsheet and we'll import the first tab. So I'm going to import the file, select the file you want to import, and then say continue. This is what you will call it, so this is be the name within Smartsheet that you call the sheet. So I'm actually going to call this dummy data, expense data, no formulas, because I don't have any formulas in the first tab. This is where you have to sort of assign the primary column, so I'm going to assign it to the agency code, and I'm not going to include any formulas because I don't have any formulas in that first tab, and then I'm going to import. So if we just open that up now, you can see that all the data is in Smartsheet now from Excel, so you can see here. So if I wanted to bring another tab in now, what I need to do is obviously I've got the second tab here that has a number of formulas in as well, so you can see that I've got sum and average and if and, if ors, nested statements, sum ifs, count and count ifs, etc. So what I would do actually is what Smartsheet does is it always brings the first tab. So I'd move this tab to the left and then I save that, which I've done, and then I go back into Smartsheet and I come out of this and then I do it again. So import data from Excel, I select my sheet, I'm going to select the dummy sheet again and say continue. I'm going to set the agency code again, but this time I'm going to have include formulas on import. So I'm going to call this with formulas, and then import. So as you can see now, I've got all that data as I have within Excel. So there you go. And the good thing about it as well is I've put these in here just to demonstrate whether it can actually bring these sort of formulas across. So as you can see, the sum works fine, the average works fine, the if works fine, the if and works fine, if for works fine. There's only one formula in this in Excel, if you see. So there's only one formula here. So I'm not sure why it's brought unpassable data under here, but you can just leave that. But effectively, the sum if works fine, the sum ifs works fine, the count and the count if works fine. So there you have it. That's how you import data into Smartsheet from Excel, with or without formulas. Thanks for watching. And for further details on our free and paid Smartsheet training courses, please visit the training and events section on our website at www.cheetahtransformation.co.uk. Alternatively, contact us directly on help@cheetahtransformation.co.uk to arrange a call to discuss your requirements further.